Right, guys? So, you see that all the water has almost gone. It's reduced down. It's a nice paste now, nice thick chunky paste like that. That's what I'm looking for. So that's the base for all the flavor now. So
it's Bodi time?
Yes, my dear. Please, Bodi time.
Foodie friends, we are in the yard after dark with some curry bodi. So let's get cooking.
So, Kez, curry bodi.
After dark.
Yeah, after dark, right? Now, you see that we have the bodi already prepared here. Another name for bodi, for those of us joining, those who are joining us outside of Trinidad, is long bean.
Long beans.
Right?
Which look like this.
Yeah, exactly so. Now, what we did is that we left a few for you.
A few for me?
Yeah, that you're going to show our viewers how to break up the bodi. Well, I'm assuming that you know.
You want to demonstrate?
All right. Okay. So, first thing first, you're going to take the tip off. That does not go in.
No.
Right? Then, the way I was taught was
break it.
Thumb, press, broke.
Snap.
Like
done.
that.
So, I've only ever seen it done one other way, and that's my grandma. She likes to fold and fold and fold and break in half now.
Yeah, let's see it.
Okay, so she goes like this.
Go, Granny.
And she snaps like that. And then she'll go and keep going. And by the time you're done, we have it broken down.
Nice, Granny. I like that style.
My granny's a different style. So, how we starting the actual curry bodi though, my friend?
Okay, so what we're going to do, let me just check the fire here, is that we are going to go first in with some vegetable oil. Right? Hit them there. Couple teaspoons worth. Right?
Okay.
While that is getting hot now, what we're going to do is hit him some carapoulay.
We need to get that curry leaf in.
Yep. Not much. 3 or 4.
What's curry bodi without the carapoulay?
Exactly.
The curry leaves.
And one more for good luck. Yeah. So while that is just going to be frying and perfuming the entire pot and just imparting that flavor.
Right.
Let me get that spoon there.
Certainly, sir.
Thank you. Right. So from there now, you can tell that the oil is heating up.
You hear the little crackles of the leaves.
Right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to build the base for the curry bodi.
Okay.
Right. So.
And our base starts with the aromatics that we're very familiar with.
Right, exactly. So we're going to start with onion.
Right.
About enough for like one medium. Just about one medium onion. Yeah, that should be enough. Right. Some pimento. That's been chopped up. Right. Gonna go with some hot pepper.
Of course.
Not much.
Nice little kick up flavor.
Yep. Now, this here is some thyme.
Right.
So we need to build the curry a little bit. And some Chadon Beni.
Of course.
Right.
Now that is such a helpful ingredient when we're doing our curries.
Definitely, yeah. Right. It's like it's quite integral to curry. Curry is not curry without it. Right. Now we're gonna push this around a little bit. Make it sweat a little bit.
Get those going. Get all those flavors coming in.
Yep. Now, what we're going to do, now we're going to hit the garlic. About a couple cloves. Yeah. This point is where we're going to add our curry powder.
Okay.
Not much, yeah?
So
because it is
after
bodi.
We've gotten everything in and our seasoning sweat down a little bit.
Yep.
We're coming in with the curry.
Yep. So, let's grab the spoon here. Right. So we're just gonna now fry that curry powder.
Right.
So immediately you're gonna get that smell.
That nice little paste going on.
Yep. And everything's working together.
And you're waking up that curry because I'm smelling that lovely scent already.
Yep. Okay, good. So while this is we're gonna fry this down just a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like a 2-3 minutes kind of thing?
Yeah, about 2-3 minutes. Just keep on watching for the garlic. You don't want that garlic to start to burn.
So we gotta keep moving it around.
Yeah,
as well.
you have to keep moving it around.
Okay.
Right? Now, while that is like, because it's gonna be working now, what we're gonna do is it's just a tiny little bit of water.
A little splash.
Yeah. The reason that we're doing that, we want to be able to cook those spices in the curry powder. Yeah. We don't want it to burn. So what the water does, I mean, one, it makes a sauce, right? But two, brings the heat down a little bit, and it also, the water is gonna start boiling. Once the water starts boiling,
right,
what that does is starts to cook all the spices together. So you're gonna get the kind of marrying process that's gonna happen.
So the melding of all the flavors.
Yeah, right? So what we're gonna we're just gonna let this cook, and then what we're gonna look for is that for that water to start reducing down.
So by the time, that nice thick curry paste.
Exactly. By the time that reduces down and it's paste, then it's gonna be time to put
add
the
our
bodi in.
bodi.
Right, guys. So you see that all the water has almost gone. It's reduced down. It's a nice paste now, nice thick chunky paste like that. That's what I'm looking for. So that's the base for all the flavor now. So
it's bodi time?
Yes, my dear. Please, bodi time. Nice, well done. All right, so as before, as always, we have to turn, we have to coat it.
Correct.
We have to try to get the stuff up from the bottom, mix all the way in.
And this bodi is going to cook with any additional liquid?
We have to gauge it as it goes. Sometimes it springs enough liquid so that you don't really need to.
Okay.
And sometimes, you know,
might need to add a little something.
Yeah, depending on the age of the bodi when it was picked.
Okay,
yeah.
okay. How long does it generally take the bodi to cook down?
20, maybe 20, 25 minutes or that. Yeah. Some varieties might go for a little bit longer.
Right.
You know what I mean? But generally, it's just that. Just 20 or 25 minutes. Right. So, we've mixed it up now, and now we're going to hit it with salt and pepper.
All right, sir.
Thank you. All right, so.
You know, I'm the pepper pincher.
Yeah.
I have to come in for you.
Nice. You're so good at that, kids.
Thank you.
Right, so.
And do we leave this to cook down, covered, uncovered?
We are going to put a cover on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring the heat down just a little bit, not much. Yeah. And just going to let the cooking process take place.
Alrighty.
All right. All right.
I brought my plate.
So, guys, so the curry bodi is finished. The bodi is now soft. All the curry is incorporated nicely.
Smelling so good. So, so good.
And this is your taste, ma'am?
No, of course. You know you must join me in the tasting.
Definitely will. Let me grab a fork.
Tender. Bodi.
Oh, yeah.
My first question, of course, is what we eating this with? Again, Dave came here with nothing for me to eat this with.
See, what had happened was...
You
know, I just forgot the soda again.
Right. I mean, if not soda, a little rice? What was a little rice?
Oh, yeah.
A little rice.
Yeah, actually, yeah. So, bodi and rice, that could work. Bodi and soda, we know that works. Bodi and hops, that could work as well.
Bodi and bodi.
Bodi and bodi.
Because you didn't bring nothing.
I promise I'll do better next time.
Guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks, Dave, for no sides, but some great curry bodi. Until next time, of course. Bye-bye.
See you.